Hello, and thank you for joining us for Alexander Mackenzie High School's Grade 8 Virtual Open House. My name is Catherine Clark, and together with Nazi Rihani and John Petroni, we will be leading you through this digital presentation. Your journey at AMHS will begin in September 2021, and you will be a part of the graduating class of 2025. But before we get to graduation, let's learn together through this presentation about all of the opportunities available to Alexander Mackenzie High School students. We would like to begin our time together in a good way with the land acknowledgement.
Thank you, Ms. Clark. As the York Region District School Board moves forward in an effort to reconcile with Indigenous people, it is important that we use a land acknowledgement relevant to the unique geographic location of Alexander Mackenzie High School based on the treaty of our region. As guests on Turtle Island, we would like to start by acknowledging that we are connecting virtually today from our spaces on land that has been shared with us so that we may work and learn together in service of the students who will attend our schools. These schools are on the traditional territories of the Wendat, the Haudenosaunee, and the Anishinaabe peoples, whose presence here continues to this day. We would also like to acknowledge that the land we are on is at the meeting place of two treaties, the lands of the Mississaugas of the Credit and those of the First Nations of the Williams Treaty. We would like to thank them and other Indigenous peoples for sharing this land with us. We would also like to acknowledge the Chippewas of Georgina Island First Nations as our closest Indigenous community and our partners in education. It is important that we take the time to acknowledge this land and the people because the first step to reconciliation is recognizing the existence of Indigenous people. The Truth and Reconciliation Commission of Canada Calls to Action, numbers 62 and 63, speak to the significance of education as the key to reconciliation. A shared understanding of how our collective past brought us to where we are today will help us walk together into a better future. And now, we would like to introduce you to our administration team, our principal, Ms. Krista Pummel, and our vice principals, Mr. George Ellenis and Ms. Erica Preedy. The administration team would now like to welcome you to our Grade 8 Open House.
Welcome, Grade 8 students, parents and guardians, and staff. We are excited for you to join us for our virtual Grade 8 Information Night. My name is Krista Pummel, and I am the very proud principal of Alexander Mackenzie High School. I, along with our vice principals, George Ellenis and Erica Preedy, are here to support you as you embark on your journey to high school. These are exciting times for you and your family, and we are here to introduce you to our school community and the opportunities that await you in September 2021.
You likely have questions about high school and student life at Alexander Mackenzie High School. This presentation will introduce you to some of the important school information, including leadership opportunities, extracurricular activities, various supports offered by the school, as well as the pathways you can explore in high school. After viewing this presentation, we encourage you to visit the links to the videos prepared by the subject departments at Alexander Mackenzie High School. These videos showcase a number of learning opportunities by providing you with a sneak peek to what you can look forward to in September of 2021.
Should you have any questions, we encourage you to call or email the school or reach out to any member of the administrative team. We look forward to welcoming our future class of 2025.
Thank you, Ms. Rahani, for starting us in a good way, and thank you to the AMHS administration team for your welcome message. Let's learn about the structure of our school and your timetable. The AMHS school day runs from 8:30 a.m. to 3 p.m. Our school is semestered, which means that semester 1 is from September to the end of January, and semester 2 is from February to the end of June. Grade 9 students will participate in 4 courses per semester for a total of 8 courses per year. Your timetable will be made up of compulsory and elective courses. Alexander Mackenzie High School has a school population of approximately 1,400 students. AMHS is proud to be home to a diverse community of learners. The student body at our school speaks 39 different languages. We offer a variety of programs and pathways to best meet the needs of each individual student. You will have an opportunity to learn more about these programs during this presentation. Student leadership and student life is a big part of our culture at AMHS. There are multiple opportunities for students to get involved and participate in our Mustang student life culture. Currently, our clubs and councils are operating virtually. These are just some of the examples of the clubs and councils that are running at our school. We also have a variety of initiatives, including AMAC Gives Back, our annual food drive, Relay for Life, a variety of student performances, peer mentoring programs, and wellness events. Students, if the club, council, or event that you would like to participate in doesn't exist, we invite you to create it. Once you get to AMHS, you will learn all about how to create an opportunity if it doesn't already exist. We also have a vibrant athletics department that encourages all AMHS students to stay active and participate in lifelong healthy living activities. The athletics department runs the Pro Shop, where students can purchase spiritware, recovery drinks and snacks, and sign out equipment during lunch to play different games such as badminton and table tennis. AMHS has a wide range of teams running throughout the year, including soccer, basketball, volleyball, tennis, cross country, and many more. Our athletics department runs awesome home game events with music, snacks, announcements, and game introductions. During lunch, athletics is also responsible for running many amazing intramurals. Athletic special events have included several inspiring virtual events this year, including Not a Big Deal, Virtual Terry Fox, Halloween Pumpkin Carving Contest, and the Winter Wonderland Workout Challenge. AMHS Athletics has so many different opportunities available for all students. We can't wait for you to get involved the Mustang way.
Thank you, Ms. Clark, for providing us with information about how to experience leadership at Alexander Mackenzie High School and how students can get involved in numerous clubs, councils, and committees that are available at our school. Here is also a list of all our departments at AMHS. Our school is very unique among many schools in York Region District School Board in terms of having numerous programs including Arts Mackenzie, Deaf and Hard of Hearing, International Baccalaureates, Specialist High Skills Major, to name a few. Here you can see all the departments at a glance. To learn more about each department, please check our AMHS department videos. Here at Alexander Mackenzie High School, we are committed to the success of all our students. All our teachers, administrators, and staff members collaborate to provide relevant and experiential learning opportunities. We build on students' interests and strengths, support them with effective transitioning into high school and in between grades, and we make sure that students have all the requirements for receiving their diploma as well as a successful graduation. Special Education Department offers several programs for students with exceptionalities. The goal of this department is to support students with accommodations in their classes with the ultimate aim of becoming independent self-advocates with a positive self-image. Our Special Education Department also provides access to opportunities that foster a successful transition to work or post-secondary studies. English language learners, our ESL department provides opportunities to enable students to develop competence in English, which are to be integrated into the curriculum in all subject areas. Our ESL department supports our ELL students as they continue to develop language skills. Our guidance department is committed to student well-being and success by providing counseling sessions as needed and by providing support for all students in identifying their personal interests, strengths, needs, and aspirations in order to choose the programs they are interested in. The guidance department provides a range of diverse and engaging learning opportunities, courses, and programs both in and outside the classroom, and honors all post-secondary destinations, including apprenticeship training, college, community living, university, and the workplace. The Library Learning Commons provides the physical space for learning as well as many resources that students can use during school time. Our students can also have access to our virtual library that is open 24 hours, 7 days a week, where students can have access to databases as well as video and audio material. There are a lot of different opportunities in high school to try new things, explore your interests, and develop important skills such as problem solving, innovation, creativity, collaboration, critical thinking, communication, and many more. We use a pathway planner tool that enables students to pick courses, track graduation requirements, and look at pathway options and opportunities. You will acquire knowledge and skills in 4 areas of learning. Area 1. Who am I? This area is to get to know yourself in terms of your interests, strengths, intelligences, accomplishments, values, learning skills, and work habits. Area 2. What are my opportunities? This area is to expand your awareness of opportunities that exist both in school and in the community, such as recreational, social, and leadership opportunities, as well as volunteer services and even part-time employment. You will also explore a variety of fields of work, occupations, and careers to find out where your interests lie. Area 3. Who do I want to become? Here you will identify features of the various opportunities you have explored and reflect to find out what careers are a best fit for you. This area can be explored numerous times with the support of the guidance department, and it is never an overnight making decision. Rather, you will go through a decision-making process to determine your personal and interpersonal goals as well as your education and career goals. Area 4. What is my plan for achieving my goals? In this last area of the framework, you will create a plan that identifies the steps that are required to achieve your goals. You will also identify the resources you need to implement your plan of action. And now, I will hand it over to Mr. Petroni to talk about our school programs.
Thank you, Ms. Rahani. My name is John Petroni. At Alexander Mackenzie High School, we offer a wide range of academic programs for every student and learner. Here's a short list and description of our academic and experiential learning programs. SHSM, the Specialized High Skills Major Program, offers students a unique ability to tailor their academic learning in the classroom with sector-specific training and experiential learning in the workplace. Co-op is an educational program that integrates classroom theory with practical experience in the workplace. OYAP, the Ontario Youth Apprenticeship Program, is a school-to-work program that opens doors for students to explore and gain training in apprenticeship occupations starting in grade 11 or grade 12. EOP is a regional program that YRDSB offers at select schools. At Alexander Mackenzie High School, we offer transportation sector focus. Personalized alternative education. These programs operate on a reduced class size and combine teacher-directed courses with independent learning and credit recovery options. Dual credit courses. For those students wishing to explore life at the college level, our board has partnered with college institutions to provide a wide array of ministry-approved courses while still in high school, being grade 11 or grade 12. 2 additional programs and pathways are the Arts Mackenzie and International Baccalaureate program. We encourage you to see our Alexander Mackenzie website to see more information about those programs. Information regarding these programs are shared with families in the fall. You can view those information nights on our school YouTube channel and contact the school if there are any additional questions regarding the regional specialized programs.
Thank you, Mr. Petroni. So, class of 2025, we cannot wait to welcome you to AMHS in September 2021. Looking forward, we will have a special grade 9 transition day on the first day of school to welcome you officially to AMHS. This day includes a specialized program that introduces you to the school, your classes, and our student leaders. Grade 9 Transition Day is just one of the many orientation events that we have planned to transition you and your families to Alexander Mackenzie High School. This brings us to the end of our formal presentation. You may follow the board's social media and our social media to stay up to date with AMHS activities. We invite you now to explore department videos located at the link on your screen. On behalf of everyone at Alexander Mackenzie High School, thank you for attending this presentation, and we look forward to welcoming you to AMHS in September 2021.